Speaker, sir, I would want to take your permission to raise an issue concerning the southern states in general and Kerala in particular. Over the last few days, unfortunately, the landslides in Wayanad have taken away lives of more than 160 innocent people. Over the last 5 years, Speaker, sir, more than 350 people have died due to landslide disasters and accidents in Kerala in just the last 5 years alone. Unbridled, unregulated economic activity, commercial activity, including quarrying and mining in eco-sensitive areas of the Western Ghats is the primary reason for this. Many reports were submitted earlier which were rejected successively by the UDF and the LDF governments in Kerala the last so many years. And sir, please, in the last so many years, there has not been any long-term effort that has been taken. There has not been any long-term solutions that have been thought of to regulate the commercialization of these eco-sensitive zones. Speaker, sir, while I am here.
Tejaswi, just conclude in 1 minute. Okay.
Speaker, sir, I hail from Chikmagalur.
Please.
Speaker, sir, I hail from Chikmagalur, which is the Malnad Western Ghat region of Karnataka. Thousands of farmers in Karnataka from this region are also affected by landslides and the rains. Arecanut growers and coffee growers have lost crops worth thousands of crores. Until today, Karnataka Congress government has not given any compensation to these farmers. And this is
Venugopal ji, आप बोले आप conclude कीजिए.
This is in Karnataka government.
Venugopal ji,
right I have to raise.
Sir, let me conclude, sir. Sir, I can understand, sir. Sir, in Malayalam there is a proverb. Shiramullor agidin chigattilum chora danna kaudugini kaudugam.
मैं दोनों को बोल रहा हूँ. तेजस्वी जी को भी, वेणुगोपाल जी को भी.
Just 1 minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute we are asking.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister जब बोल दिया है.
Sir, Wayanad. Sir, entire country is praying for Wayanad now. Entire people of India praying for Wayanad. Entire world is crying for Wayanad. Sir, we need to stop that. Politicizing that issue is very bad. Can I say politics, sir? One incident happened in Karnataka.
Okay.
No. Wayanad.
एक बात बताइए आप.
Sir, so Wayanad. Sir, I need to clarify.
सदस्य मैं बोलने का बहुत टोका टोकी मत करिए आप.
Sir.
और आप ऐसा नहीं करेंगे कि आप इस तरह
I am not politicizing. Sir, he mentioned about honorable member of parliament from Wayanad last 5 years. Sir, entire Kerala, entire nation proud of Rahul Gandhi be the member of Wayanad parliament, sir. The way in which the flood situation happened, he came there, he camped there, how much service he has done to the Wayanad family, I don't want to describe. That is why he won this time more than 3,60,000 votes, more than the Prime Minister, sir. More than the majority of the Prime Minister, sir.
Okay.
Then, sir.
उनके विषय में नहीं कहा उन्होंने.
You are the speaker of... Yes, sir. Sir, allow me, sir. You are the speaker of last Lok Sabha also. You know how many times Rahul Gandhi intervened for Wayanad natural calamities. There was a record. I'm challenging that member, sir. There are records. How many letters he has given to the Chief Minister? How many letters he has given to the government of India? How many times he raised the point? Sir, in this type of situation, entire country expecting a fruitful discussion from the parliament, highest lawmaking body of this country. The way in which a member tried to sabotage the entire discussion.
क्या आप चाहते हैं?
Sir, my point is that he has to apologize. Yes. He has to apologize. Sir, the member has to apologize. That should not be in the record, sir. We are not going to politicize. We are appreciating the service of Shankar. Rahul Gandhi appreciate the service of military.
Okay, man.
We are appreciating service.
Okay, member. Okay. Tejaswi Surya.
Thank you, Speaker, sir, for allowing me to ask a few questions to to the Honorable Home Minister and the concerned authorities on a very sensitive matter that concerns not just Kerala but other southern states as well. Speaker, sir, the last 5 years, Kerala has repeatedly witnessed landslides which have taken the lives of hundreds of innocent people. In July 2022, Ministry of Earth Sciences told the Lok Sabha that Kerala witnesses the maximum amount of landslides in the country, that up to 60% of the landslides that have taken place in the country the last 5 years, most are happening in Kerala. I want to know, what is the central government and what is the state government doing as a long-term measure to address this issue? In just the last 5 years, more than 350 deaths have taken place in Kerala, just around the area of Wayanad and other regions where this has happened. Even this very year, Speaker Sir, in January, IIT Delhi conducted a survey and they said that this district of Wayanad falls under the high to very high risk category. And in 2013 and 2011, 2 panel reports conducted a detailed assessment, and thereafter they made recommendations on what the state government has to do. But no illegal encroachments were removed, no action was taken to remove the construction activities taking place, reduce the mining that is taking place in these areas. Speaker Sir, I also want to ask, this is a very important issue. In 2020, the Kerala State Disaster Management Authority said, Speaker Sir, in 2020, Kerala State Disaster Management Authority advised relocating 4,000 families from landslide prone areas in Wayanad. Till today, no action was taken, and the MP representing Wayanad did not even raise this issue till today. Speaker Sir, I also want to ask you a very, very important issue, Speaker Sir.
प्लीज माननीय सर कंक्लूड करो.
Speaker Sir, I just want to take.
आपका वो प्रश्न तो
Speaker
पूछ
Sir,
लिया.
I have last question.
हाँ.
Speaker Sir, in 2021, इसके पीछे का कारण मैं बताना चाहता हूं अध्यक्ष जी. 2021 में केरला लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में केरला के फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टर के राजू जी ने ये एडमिट किए कि हम वहां से एनक्रोचमेंट को, इलीगल एनक्रोचमेंट को इसलिए नहीं उठा पा रहे हैं क्योंकि रिलीजियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से हमें प्रेशर है.
ओके.
Kerala's forest minister in the assembly admits that we are unable to remove illegal encroachment because we have pressure from various religious organizations. अध्यक्ष जी, मेरा लास्ट में आपके क्वेश्चन. अध्यक्ष जी, कांग्रेस के एक एमपी,
प्लीज माने प्लीज.
कांग्रेस के एमपी पीटी थॉमस जी ने इसी इश्यू को इससे पहले उठाया था. और कांग्रेस पार्टी ने क्या किया? दूसरी बार पीटी थॉमस जी को टिकट ही नहीं दिया. टिकट ही नहीं दिया. और आज सिर्फ वायनाड और वायनाड के आसपास के वोट बैंक पॉलिटिक्स के वजह से ये एनक्रोचमेंट को ये लोग नहीं हटा रहे हैं. सर, इन द लास्ट 1800 days since Rahul Gandhi is the MP from Wayanad, he has not raised the issue of landslides and floods of Wayanad even once in the assembly and in the parliament. और जिस पार्टी ने पीटी थॉमस जी को, जिन्होंने उन्हीं के पार्टी से थे और उन्हीं के पार्टी के होने के वजह से भी इस इश्यू को उठाया, उनको पार्टी से निकाल दिए ये लोग. इन लोग उनको टिकट भी नहीं दिए और आज केंद्र सरकार के ऊपर ये उंगली उठा रहे हैं. मैं आज
इटी मोहम्मद बशीर प्लीज आप बोलिए. इटी मोहम्मद बशीर.
एटी मोहम्मद बशीर। सदन की कार्रवाई 4 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।